Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk about what's gonna happen to Bitcoin next. So let's stay tuned. Looking at Bitcoin seems very healthy right now. Looking at it here today, the price went up to 29,800. I supposed to do the video yesterday saying that Bitcoin might be very bullish. Back to 30,000. The reason why is because there is a reversal candlestick here. So if you want to learn more about all these tools, trading tools, remember to look back towards my YouTube channel. I teach a lot of what is reversal candlestick, what is all these charts, all these drawing tools all about. And if you like to use this, I will want to thank to our sponsor today as well. This video is sponsored by Mitrade. Immerse yourself in a seamless trading experience and explore more than 400 plus financial market with CFDs. Regardless of the market directions, discover great trading opportunities with every fluctuations. Enjoy zero commissions, competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and fast and reliable order executions with Mitrade proprietary trading platform. You can enjoy and trade hundreds of hot market right now. You can also monitor live market trends, view trading analysis, and check the latest economic news in real time. Access different types of charts on the go with the ability to apply drawing without hindering your trades at all. So start trading with Mitrade today by signing up using my referral link below. So coming back to here, Bitcoin chart. Is the Bitcoin bullish right now? The answer is still not yet. Almost trying to, but not yet. Why? If you look at here, this resistance zone is quite huge resistance. A lot of people are doing a short position here. There's a lot of liquidations going around here, especially those are doing short positions. Probably their stop loss will be somewhere around here and somewhere around here previously, and they are trying to liquidate those short positions away by touching this 30,000 mark or above. But some of the positions are still huge. The reason why is because when you look at here, this is the 30,000 mark, and when I say 30,000 mark, meaning that every even number like 20,000, 22,000, 21,000, 24,000, anything that starts with 000 behind is called even number. And when it hits the even number, usually you will have a very strong position there. Doesn't matter is it a resistance or doesn't matter it's a support level. So as you can see here, this is 26,500 as the support level. So would the news support Bitcoin to rise even higher? I would say not really. Looking at this overall news, seems like it's a bit bullish, but not really bullish. So it's like a 50-50. But the good thing is, if you look at 10 over news here, I would say 10 out of 10, 8 are actually quite neutral and it's quite good, to be frank. For example, Bahamas introduced new crypto regulations, USDC strengthened by US, stuff like that. And even if you go and Google up Bitcoin news, I don't see any sort of bearish news right now. And looking at Bitcoin rainbow chart, I tend to agree with this, but not probably next year, I believe. But I tend to agree that Bitcoin could rise 100,000. The reason why is because of this rainbow chart. So I personally love to use this as an indications of whether you should buy now or you should wait, or is it too late to buy. Right now, this live chart, you can see it stays on the green zone, which is the accumulate season. So if you want to purchase the Bitcoin, it's still cheap. Of course, if you're comparing to the blue zone, the dark blue zone, and the blue zone, basically it's a fire sale and a buy zone. But accumulation zone is still a way to accumulate more Bitcoin if you want to accumulate. Doesn't matter is it Bitcoin or altcoin, to be honest. The reason why is because if Bitcoin falls a lot, then most of the altcoins will continue to fall. I'm not saying there's no altcoin season, there's no Bitcoin season, there are. But of course, if Bitcoin falls very badly, usually altcoins will be affected as well. So looking at here right now, Bitcoin seems okay for you to purchase, but is it a good time for you to purchase? Let's get back here. If you are a perpetual swap trader, I would suggest you to purchase around 26,000. I believe the next move is you're gonna touch this 30,000, to be honest, and you try to break out again and break this number, this 30,700, 800. But I wouldn't put this as a confirmed bullish signal. The reason why is because even if it breaks through this 30,800, if we zoom back out, if we zoom really back out, you see here, this is actually another resistance level. It's quite near towards the 30,775, if you want to name it. This 32,000 area is another crucial of resistance zone. So if I want to draw it, this part is actually to indicate whether Bitcoin is going up or going down next. So if this candlestick, this daily candlestick, I'm using a daily chart right now, if it breaks through this 32,000 or maybe it rises to 34,000 for example, then you will see a huge gain all the way to 39,000, probably 40,000. The reason why, if you look at here, I think this is the closest resistance level that you're looking at, because when it falls all the way down to 29,000 from 40,000. So it wouldn't be have a high chance for it to grow back to this 40,000 straight away. If it breaks above and stays above, and this daily chart stays above, okay, this daily candlestick stays above. And if you look at weekly chart, it's quite similar to here right now. As you can see, this is undecisive candlestick, 1, 2, 3, and these two are actually a very huge candlestick. So the chances will be like also the same scenario, where you see this resistance is around this area. And don't forget, this moving average line 100 is so close to the candlestick. Let's say if I change it to, I don't know, 50, or to make it closer, or probably another additional candles moving average line of 20, for example. Then you can see this is actually kind of like bullish right now, because when it closes or when it tends to cross over, it will be bearish, and when it tends to cross over here, it tends to be bullish. So it tends to be bullish right now, because from down to up. But how high can it go? You first have to surpass this in order to go back to this 40,000 range. Okay, but looking at the RSI right now, I would say it still have the momentum to go all the way up to 80 before it's considered as an overbought area. When it reach 80, right, usually they will do some a linear retracement and have some cool down first before you have a decision making whether to go up to go down. So I would say overall weekly still seems have a chance getting bullish, but like I mentioned, have to surpass this 33,000 or 34,000 at least. This candlestick, right, this weekly and daily candlestick is very crucial, especially if it falls on a Sunday or towards the Monday where this candlestick might close. You want to see this candlestick close above, and there's a new candlestick that form above this resistance zone. Then you might see it will retest it and retest the support line, and then it will go all the way up. This is how I see it. So but it also have a chances where this candlestick close around this here and it forms another candlestick here, and it might be bearish. So I would say this week is kind of crucial. If let's say this candlestick doesn't close, it will have another candlestick that's gonna be look something like that, and it's gonna be like throughout thingy, going up and going down and consolidating around this area until a right time to go up or to go down. But the chances here is, I would say this will be higher. This will be higher. All right. So I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Remember to check out my sponsor today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.